till 10th you are doing good in sports, nowadays you are not doing good. I think now you can focus on studies, better will focus on your education career only. Hello everyone, myself Abhinaya Shetty, Indian high jumper. When I was in like 6th standard, my PT sir was used to tell you are very tall and you will become a good athlete. He didn't mention that only high jump or any athletics. First I used to play kabaddi as a substitute player and like volleyball, throw ball, whatever. Like PT period we used to play every games, not like that. Then he told me to you can do athletics like hurdles, long jump, high jump. Then I did hurdle and long jump and and even high jump also. But that time I was doing good in hurdle, like 80-meter hurdle under 14. Till state I was winning medal in hurdles and long jump, like gold, bronze, and even high jump also. Then he told me to do we can concentrate only on high jump. Then I shifted to high jump from 8th standard. I shifted to Bangalore for 6 months to learn that technique with a professional coach. From there, in that 1 year actually my performance was really down because I was adopting new technique. So that year I won state medal and in nationals I didn't give my best performance. And next year I had my PUC exam, 12th exam, board exam. That time I had two options, like my parents didn't give me that option, but my families were till 10th you are doing good in sports, nowadays you are not doing good. I think now you can focus on studies, better will focus on your education career only. My mummy and my papa, they told me it's not about like 1 year you didn't give your best performance, it won't it is not like you can't do better in sports in future. So but that year in 12th standard I got 94% in actually I was the only one sports athlete who got 94%. Even I also didn't expect, but I wrote very well that exam. And after that 2017, yeah, from that year in my sports career also, in my education career also, I literally changed. I won several national medals and I was doing quite well. Sports club, they are keep on supporting me, like we are not allowed to do training but still they supporting me, like they gave me a time period you can do in by this time and you can leave this place. And so in COVID period also I didn't lose my fitness and I was keep on working on my fitness. And next 2022 again I came back with the big performance, like I did 180 plus jumps. Then I came to IAS. August 2022, I think in the month of August I came IAS. Then here I was doing pretty well, like I did 183 in training session only. And in that year also I won several national medals and I did consistency jump of 80, 82, 83. Here IAS is an environment, like if we had any injury and all, we can bounce back because it's not only about the treatment and all. And here is the environment, I feel like everywhere it will keep on motivating you, like mentally, physically. After here all staff, all supporting staff, they all are very nice to me, and I can say everyone was very well supported me.